Wait, you paid money for that picture?
Yep, it's an NFT, non-fungible token.
But I can just screenshot it. Boom, now I have it too.
Sure, but I own the original. Like owning the signed painting. Your screenshot is just a copy.
So it's like digital art?
Exactly, but not just art. NFTs can be music, videos, game items, anything digital, each with a unique code proving the ownership and confirming it's legit.
And where is it stored?
The blockchain. So it's public, trackable, and can't be faked.
So people buy these to collect and trade.
Yep, it's digital ownership, verified.
So I can't just own your monkey's left ear then?
Not really, unless the creator makes an NFT for just that year.
Got it. So normally it's all or nothing.
Yep, full ownership unless it's specifically designed to be shared.
Still, this NFT feels weird, but kind of cool.
It's like the future of collectibles. Welcome aboard.